we'll guide you through how to add Google Calendar to your desktop experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If not, click on the Sign In button at the top right and enter your credentials. Once you're in Google Calendar, you'll see your calendar view. Now, if you want to add a new calendar, look at the left sidebar where it says Other Calendars. Click on the plus sign next to it. A menu will pop up giving you options to subscribe to a calendar, create a new calendar, browse calendars of interest, and more. Select Create New Calendar. You'll be taken to a new page where you can fill in the details for your new calendar, like the name, description, and time zone. After you fill out this information, click on the Create Calendar button at the bottom. Your new calendar is now added. To see it, go back to the main calendar view by clicking on the back arrow at the top left. Under My Calendars in the left sidebar, you'll see your new calendar listed. Click on the colored box next to it to change its color, which helps visually distinguish it from other calendars. If you want to import an existing calendar, go back to the plus sign next to Other Calendars and select Import. Here, you can upload a file from your computer or paste a URL to import a calendar. Make sure you select the correct calendar to import into from the drop-down menu. After everything is set up, your new or imported calendar will sync across all your devices using your Google account, keeping you organized everywhere you go. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.